Is it time to buy or sell Disney stock? In this video, we will explore the intricacies of Disney. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 9th of September 2025, our system has ranked Disney as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.68. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -2.14%. This translates to an average loss of -0.27% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently finds itself within a declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 4.92% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 9.23% to a decrease of 1.94%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 16.43%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 8.92% to an increase of 29.83% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $104.61 and $149.12. Our latest daily update for Disney includes the headline: Disney stock price ended at $114.86 on Thursday, after losing 1.07%. The Disney stock price fell by 1.07% on the last day, Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, from $116.10 to $114.86. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.49%, with a day low at $114.08 and a day high of $115.78. The prices declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decrease of 3.32% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 9 million shares were exchanged for approximately $1.09 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $124.69, while the lowest was $80.10. Currently, the price is 7.88%, or $9.83, below the 52-week high, and 43.42%, or $88.16, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2021, when the price reached $203.02. Disney is navigating a rapidly changing political and regulatory landscape after ABC removed Jimmy Kimmel's late-night show from the air due to pressure from the Federal Communications Commission. This situation has led congressional Democrats to demand the resignation of the FCC chair and has ignited boycott campaigns along with public backlash from figures such as David Letterman. In the short term, such controversies can negatively impact the stock due to disruptions in advertising sales, increased risks of audience turnover among politically sensitive viewers, and volatility driven by headlines. Additionally, Disney is involved in a child privacy investigation related to content on YouTube, which poses potential legal costs and reputational risks that could affect profit margins if the situation escalates. Balancing these immediate risks are the company's broader business strengths: growing momentum in streaming subscriptions, rising advertising revenue, the planned integration of Disney+, Hulu, and ESPN, increased investments in sports rights, and the ongoing recovery of parks and cruise operations. These factors are all conducive to long-term cash flow and valuation stability. The overall effect is that we should anticipate increased share price volatility and possible short-term declines due to regulatory news. but the solid fundamentals should help mitigate long-term damage unless the regulatory or legal challenges significantly worsen. Keep an eye on advertising forecasts, subscription trends, and any legal settlements for future indications. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, it was reported that Stephens assigned a buy rating to Disney with a hold action. On Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, it was noted that Jefferies also assigned a hold rating to Disney, maintaining a hold action. On Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned a market perform rating to Disney with a hold action. On Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, Raymond James provided a neutral rating for Disney, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, Chardon Capital assigned a buy rating to Disney, also with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a generally neutral rating to Disney stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have issued a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Disney. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Disney stock exhibits sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $115.81 and $116.63. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, August 22, 2025. And so far, the stock has declined by 3.37%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 81 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Disney. Disney finds support from accumulated volume at $112.88. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Typically, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is deemed very low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $1.70 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.49%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.38%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Disney, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.03. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Disney. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Disney is at $115.17. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Disney encounters its first support level at $112.88. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point. anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Disney from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of August, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider sale of 1,971 shares of Disney common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider purchase of 1,167 shares of Disney common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider sale of 1,167 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 17th of July, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider sale of 419 shares of Disney common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Woodford Brent conducted an insider purchase of 1,147 shares of Disney common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 80.677. Overall, insiders purchased 761,863 shares and sold 62,677 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is Disney stock a good buy? Disney currently presents several negative indicators and is trending downward, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current stock price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 19th of September, we anticipate that Disney will open higher by approximately 4.67 cents, starting at a price of $114.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.